Hey everybody, Matt here at Wheels Through Time. As you guys know, we're closed for the season. We shut down in November. That does not mean that the action stops here at the museum. This past couple days, we've had world-renowned artist David Ewell here working on some new pieces for upcoming artwork. Absolute honor to have him here. David, for those of folks that don't know you, maybe tell a little bit about yourself, how long you've been doing this, your inspiration, what do you got for us?
Kind of scary how long I've been doing it now. Started painting motorcycles in '98 and got access to the archives. I became licensed with Harley. And I fell in love with the old black and white photographs from back then and turned them into epic style oil paintings. And geez, a 1,000 paintings later. And such incredible help from Matt and Dale over the years. You know, this place is like a kid in a candy store for me, except it's not old photographs, it's like the real bikes. And I see that stuff and my brain starts ticking and all the memories of those photos. I start inventing all these scenarios, and Matt's gracious enough to come in and help me, put those all together here. And we end up with just prime stuff for new paintings, which we just did 4 new shots in the last 3 days. So you'll be seeing a new Art of the Motorcycle, a new pinup, a new Daytona piece, and a new piece for Matt that's going to be part of his membership organization. So.
Really, really cool. Now, as many of you guys do know, our lifetime membership program here at the museum, David did the incredible work of art of my dad, Dale. That's an epic discovery.
Yep.
Well, that's with the number 8 Crocker. Absolutely iconic moment in time. That's an addition of 1,000 slightly smaller prints than that one. Those are almost gone, guys. So there's only a handful of those left. Lifetime membership program at the museum comes with one of those pieces, signed and numbered by you, right, David?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's amazing. So I think there's only like maybe 50 left. So if you get a chance, get in on those as fast as you can. Now, David also showed up just the other day with an incredible gift and new addition for us here at Wheels Through Time. Mind-blowing. It's right behind me. This is David, you tell us about it. It's an original David Ewell oil painting.
Yeah, it's the original oil. That's why it's so freaking big. Hard to get here. But it was before the new Braves stadium opened up. I went and shot all these photographs and then invented the actual landscaping, and they did have these sculptures put in there. So I got Tom Glavine, Hall of Famer, a pitcher that I'm sure everybody knows of, who's a baseball fan. Got him with his son looking at Tom's idol as he grew up. His dad introduced him to. So it's called Passing the Torch, and it's basically to celebrate the opening of the new Braves Stadium. And of course, Matt recognizes this bike because he was responsible for getting it to me down in Atlanta for the photo shoot.
Yeah, that's my dad's old 32 VL sidecar, still here at the museum. We give folks rides in it all the time. Much you guys watching maybe even had a ride yourself. David, I cannot tell you how excited we are to have this here. It's unbelievable and just far beyond what I could ever imagine. I can't thank you enough.
Oh yeah, I'm honored to have it here, and the bike's here, so it just kind of belongs here. You can tell the story from now on.
Amazing. I got a lot of memories with me and my dad in sidecars just like that, so it's particularly special to me. Guys, all sorts of amazing amazing pieces of David's work here at the museum. I bet there's 2 or 3 dozen pieces, and we're not planning on stopping collecting any of those anytime soon. For those of you guys that get a chance, check out ewellstudios.com.
Yeah, ewellstudios.com.
ewellstudios.com. You can peruse the whole, just about everything you've painted is on there, right?
Instagram, I'm DUHL Art, if you want to go there. And
Yep.
Facebook is Ewell Studios. And we constantly come up with new stuff, new content every day for people to look at. And so much of this stuff is in the paintings, and the paintings are in the art, and it's like vice versa. So we're kind of joined at the hip here for the
really cool
for the future.
Well, man, I'm so proud and honored to be a part of your work, and thanks you for coming, and can't wait to see what you turn out.
Appreciate the hospitality.
All right, man, great. Thanks, guys.